Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to Shopify. This is a great way to embed custom forms like contact forms, surveys, or registration forms directly into your Shopify store, giving you more control over how you collect information from your customers. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your existing forms. Select the form you want to embed into your Shopify store, then click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where you can make any last-minute adjustments to your form if needed. Now look toward the top of the page in the form builder. You'll see a button labeled Publish. Click on that. This is where you'll access all the options for sharing or embedding your form across different platforms. In the left panel that appears, click on Embed. This section provides you with various ways to integrate your form into websites or apps. From the Embed options, click on iframe. The iframe method is one of the most common and compatible ways to embed forms into websites like Shopify. After selecting iframe, you'll see a snippet of code appear. Click Copy Code to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what you'll paste into Shopify to display your form. Now, since I don't have a Shopify account, I'll walk you through the next steps based on the standard process. Open a new tab in your browser and go to admin.shopify.com. Log in using your Shopify credentials to access your store's admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Online Store section in the left sidebar. From there, click on Pages. This is where you manage all the static pages on your Shopify store, like About Us, Contact, or custom landing pages. Next, click the Add Page button. This will open a new page editor where you can create a fresh page for your form. In the title field, enter a name for your page, something like Contact Form or whatever makes sense for your store's structure. Now in the content area below, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the icon that says Show HTML. It usually looks like angle brackets or a code symbol. Click on that icon. This switches the editor from the visual mode to the HTML editor where you can paste raw code. Paste the Jotform embed code you copied earlier directly into the HTML editor. Make sure the code is pasted cleanly without any extra spaces or formatting issues. Once that's done, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. Shopify will now process the page and your Jotform will be embedded and ready to display on your store. And that's it. You've successfully added a Jotform to your Shopify store, making it easy for customers to fill out forms directly on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.